Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gary, and today we're diving into how to update your kitchen on a budget. Kitchens are often the heart of the home, and making a few key updates can really transform the space without breaking the bank. Let's get started. The first step in any renovation project is to choose your budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend and stick to it. This will help you prioritize what changes to make and prevent overspending. A fresh coat of paint on the walls can do wonders. Opt for light, neutral colors to make the space feel larger and more inviting. Paint is relatively inexpensive and can dramatically change the look of your kitchen. If your cabinets are in good shape but look a little dated, consider painting them. Light, neutral colors like white or soft gray can brighten up the space and give it a modern feel. New hardware can make a big difference. If new handles and knobs aren't in the budget, you can always paint your existing ones for a fresh look. Spray paint works great for this. Upgrading your light fixtures and bulbs can enhance the ambiance of your kitchen. Look for modern, energy-efficient options. LED bulbs are a great choice. They're bright and cost-effective in the long run. Replacing old outlets and outlet covers with white ones can give your kitchen a clean, updated look. It's a small change that makes a big impact. You can even purchase ones with a USB connection to easily charge your devices. Decluttering your kitchen can make it feel more spacious and organized. Be sure to remove items from your countertops you no longer use. Clean all your appliances inside and out. This not only makes them look better, but also helps them run more efficiently. A clean kitchen feels fresher and more welcoming. Adding new rugs can introduce color and comfort to your kitchen. Look for rugs that are easy to clean and durable for high traffic areas. LED lights under your cabinets can add a modern touch and improve visibility while you're cooking. They're easy to install and can be found at a reasonable price. Updating your plumbing fixtures like faucets can give your kitchen a more contemporary look. There are plenty of stylish, affordable options available. And a white subway tile backsplash is a classic choice that never goes out of style. It's relatively inexpensive and easy to install, and it can really elevate the look of your kitchen. Butcher block countertops are a beautiful, budget-friendly option. They add warmth and character to your kitchen, and they're perfect for a DIY project. Finally, consider updating your flooring. There are many affordable options like vinyl or laminate that are both stylish and durable. And there you have it, simple and budget-friendly ways to update your kitchen. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home improvement ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.